So this was working fine until yesterday when I heard a loud pop sound from it and it was no longer charging. As you can see, it's connected via thick 25 square millimeter cables to the battery bus bars. It charged fine for about 10-15 times already. Had no issues so far. Here's what happens. You connect it to 220 volts. Shows battery voltage 13.2, 0 amps charging. Try to increase it. No reaction whatsoever. The fan doesn't turn on either. And 13.2 volts is the correct voltage of the battery. So let me try to show you. $13.25 on the multimeter. Now on the battery. Same, 13.25. I'll open it and see if there is any visible damage inside. So first thing I noticed, these nuts are not fastened at all. I'm glad nothing was set on fire. I'll keep digging, see what I find. So I opened it, but I'm not spotting any obvious issues or blown elements. So whatever it is, specialist needs to inspect this. I fastened the nuts, probably because these nuts were assembled loose in the factory. There was a lot of heat coming out of the terminals and some component got blown. So I decided to try one more time. When I connect this, you'll hear the generator sensing a load. So we see the voltage, but charging does not start.